YouTube? Ken Kyle Racing coming to you live from Chihuahua, Mexico today. Gonna do a quick video on how to do a video dragy run. A few people have asked how to do it. Dragy is not too good with their instructions, and the app is not the easiest to use, so here's how you do it. From the regular dragy run screen, press this button right here. Your phone's up and down will be at the top left. If you have it to the side like mine is, bottom left, press that button right there. And when you're ready to run, you press this button right here. Now I'm gonna mount this to the windshield. Get her nice and tight so she doesn't fall. I'm gonna put the GoPro up next to it so you'll lose sight of it a little bit. We'll make our run real quick. Safety first. Do not do this on public roads in the United States because it is illegal. And when you're ready to run, you just hit the record button. Oops, I just turned it off. Let me hit the button again. All right, now we're ready. Mount this. Also, when you're done, you hit that button right there to stop the run. I also did a live wire test just to compare the two. Live wire had the quarter mile at 13.05 seconds, 167 kilometers per hour. Oops. Not sure what that works out to mile per hour wise. Dragy had it at 12.58. This is my auto octane tune. Could not find ethanol coming back from the track yesterday. So we're just on the gearhead auto octane tune. Now, to make the video, you go to me, the bottom right button right there. Then click on video. That's the video we just made. Now you click on the next button at the top right of the screen, right there. Hit export. You'll see this little circle. Now sometimes that little circle will get hung at the end with just a tiny little bit left, and it'll just stay there forever. If you have that happen, either completely close out of the app and then come back in, restart the process, or sometimes I've had to reboot the phone. But once it completes, you go into your camera on the phone. The video is now there, and the little countdown display will automatically be on the video. Neat, huh? If you have any questions, put them in the comments, and I would be happy to answer them. Any other questions on dragy, same thing, just throw a comment, and I will do my best to answer them. I'm no dragy expert, but I have used it a time or two, so. Also, press the subscribe button, trying to get to 1,000 so I can be rich and not have to work for a living. So, catch you on the next video.